Hi again, it's Kate from Landingi, and in this video, we're gonna focus on pop-ups. For those of you who pop-up doesn't ring a bell, it is an additional window that shows up on a landing page or a website, like this one. Let's see how to make one in Landingi platform. In Landingi, you can create pop-ups and install them on your landing pages or external sites. To create your first pop-up, log into your account and choose the Pop-up tab. Here you will find a list of all your pop-ups. But now, let's focus on creating the first one. Click on Create New Pop-up button. Just like with landing pages, you can decide whether you'd like to create a pop-up from a total scratch or you'd like to choose any of fully editable templates. Pick the one you like and click Use Template. Pop-up Editor has a main page and a thank you page, as you can collect leads on a pop-up form to separate leads tab. It also has desktop and a mobile view. On the left-hand side, there are all the widgets you can drag and drop to your pop-up, and on your right-hand sidebar, you can edit a background or any element visually. To add an element, just drag and drop it to the editing section. To edit an existing widget, just click on it to see available options. When your pop-up is ready, click Next button to go to the publishing options. In the first step, decide if your pop-up should be displayed on a landing page or an external site. Then we have triggers, so actions after which pop-up will show up. You need to choose at least one trigger: time spent on a website, scrolling certain percentage of the page, exit intent, or click on a specific element on a landing page. As the triggers are set, let's get to the frequency of displaying your pop-up. The last step is publishing. Click the Publish button, and if you decided to add a pop-up to your landing page, you don't have to do anything else, just test it. And if your pop-up is aimed to be added on external page, you need to do one more thing. Either copy the code and paste it within the source code of your page, or check other publishing options like WordPress or Google Tag Manager. Step-by-step manuals can be found underneath the code. Close the tab and go to your pop-up dashboard. Here you can see the stats, visits, leads, and conversion. In additional options, you can duplicate, rename, or delete your pop-up. So now you know how much value a pop-up can add to your landing page. In case of any questions, feel free to reach out our team or schedule an onboarding session with me. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.